string instruments make sound because their strings vibrate. Listen to these string players perform a lively dance tune called Cold and Frosty Morning. Describe the different sounds you hear. String instruments are usually played by bowing, plucking, or striking. Which instruments are played with bows? The fiddle, violin, and string bass can be bowed. In this picture, which instruments are plucked? That's right, the string bass and the Celtic harp. And which instrument is struck? That's right, the hammered dulcimer. So, the bass is a low sound. The fiddle, violin plays the melody. The Celtic harp has a nice, warm, steady pulse. And the hammered dulcimer has a thin, twangy sound. Feel free to play this recording again and dance along.